Hi there! On this video, I'll show you how to turn off Instagram notifications for one account. To start, open and locate your Instagram application. Once there, click on your profile on the bottom right. Once there, click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. This will lead you to Settings. Tap on it. Once in Settings, you can go to Notifications. Once in Notifications, all you gotta do right now is click on Pause All for 8 hours. Now tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. And then you can choose which one you want to turn off. It all depends on you. You can also turn off everything if you want. Once done, tap again on Pause All. And then it will leave you with the same settings that you left with. Now click on Following and Followers. You can also turn off this option. That's all up to you. Now click on Messages. Once on the Messages window, you can now turn off message requests, messages, and message reminders, and also group requests. It's all up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.